How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna take a quick overview what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course we're gonna take a look what is going on with all of those top 20 altcoins that I analyzed in my long video. We're just gonna take a look what is going on with those altcoins. Are we doing good, or am I getting like crushed, super destroyed? So we're gonna check it out on that. But first, let's just talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum. What is going on? What do I see on the Bitcoin? Bitcoin, nothing new actually, is still inside this descending channel on a bigger time frame, like 2 days or 3 days. There's like the biggest bull flag I ever seen, and still Bitcoin is like ranging inside this whole descending channel. The only thing I see that we have to beat this psychological level between 62,000 and 60,000, or let's just say 59,000 ish, something like that. There's a crucial psychological level that I'm looking forward to be broken. I mean, I want to see a clean breakout to the upside like this. The price could close above this descending trend line that acts as a resistance, and again start retesting the top of this channel that also acts as a resistance. But what else I see, that despite that I see a descending channel, all I can see that together with this descending trend line, I see let's just say it's like a falling wedge pattern, which would be bullish again if we're gonna see a breakout. So, but still, Bitcoin is getting rejected. I see like there's a probability still to see a lower price on Bitcoin, because yeah, like we broke the whole structure right here, creating lower lows, and whatever I'm gonna see, if the Bitcoin price is gonna fall, all the dip buying opportunities I'm taking on Bitcoin and especially Ethereum. Of course, you know that I'm like more looking on Ethereum. So still, there's nothing new on Bitcoin. All I see that there's like chance for us to retest this massive supply zone and get rejected again, because we created a lower low at this point from this lower low, and yeah, the price bounced back up from this demand zone, if you remember my previous video. But this demand is not that important to me as this one, because this is on a bigger time frame. This is where the price was respected the most. The whole accumulation, whatever, the whole demand zone is at this level. So I have like there's a chance for us to start retesting even lower price. But if we're gonna see an early breakout through this descending trend line, then yeah, the movement to the upside, it is a probable scenario. I mean, it's a possible scenario, but still I need more data on the Bitcoin charts, because yeah, all I can see right now that there is like a probability to see a bigger movement to the downside, because we see a supply zone right here. So yeah, but at the end of the day, every single dip buying opportunity, I'm gonna take it. Definitely taking it. And yeah, let's jump straight into Ethereum. This video is more about those top 20 altcoins, so I have zero thoughts about what is going on with the Bitcoin right now. Only like seeing if there's gonna be a drop, if there's gonna be like a massive drawdown, I'm buying all those dips. I'm accumulating even more. And yeah, you know my position on the crypto, so yeah, stay tuned. And again, with Ethereum right now, I'm gonna be honest, I took a extremely small long position on Ethereum for a chance if there's like from here to, I don't know, to see a breakout through here and retest this psychological level. But I got stopped out, but it's not a big of a deal, because it was a very small long position. And right now, all I can see Ethereum on a, let's just say, on the 4-hour time frame, it looks like a falling wedge pattern, but still a lot of resistance in front of us, and also a drop to the movement to the downside. It also probability to see. So this falling wedge, we'll see if it plays out, or if we're gonna see an early breakout through this descending trend line. You know that I like trading trend lines. Of course, this whole market structure, I mean, this are resistance, a breakout clean closing above this resistance that will become our support, then retest this mid-range and then break out to the upside and retest this psychological level, this all supply zone. That would be a wonderful. And if we're going to do that, then after the rejection, I'm starting building a long position. I believe so, because we're gonna, I don't know, break the whole structure, and higher highs still gonna be created, but we'll see. I have, maybe I'm wrong, but still, maybe I should start building my long position not like this. Maybe I'm just talking nonsense, but still, this level is a very important one at around, on Ethereum, at around 2,561. And yeah, after clean breakout, closing above, movement to the upside like this. But if we're gonna see a lower price on Ethereum, definitely taking those dip buying opportunities, most definitely on the bigger time frame, on the daily time frame. So still, I mean, Ethereum is like now at the top, I mean at the bottom of this whole channel. Let's just say, let me just quickly not delete, but still respects, yeah, the mid-range is valid. So the bigger, the whole demand zone is around this level. Well, not that accurate. I'm not gonna use this type of tools right now, because we're here to analyze all of those top 20 altcoins. I mean, not like top 20 altcoins, they were like the most bullish altcoins in my whole, let's just say, where's my, I cannot find when I changed the whole, right here, the whole demand zone. It is around this level, and yeah, the price is also bouncing back up. So maybe I should start opening my long position, who knows. Need to take a look, like links down below in my trading group. What I'm gonna do next, I'm definitely gonna update you guys. So yeah, the movement to the upside, descending trend line, that is like, yeah, there's a probability for us to break this. And then another key level as a resistance that once there was our support, now it's our resistance. A breakout, clean breakout, close above this, I don't know, this resistance, became our support, then the mid-range, and then retest the top of this, let's just say 20.98, 2,800 or 900, around that level. So yeah, because I don't know if we can calculate this liquidity on the daily time frame after this massive crash, but we created a higher low at this level. So yeah, there is right now a probability to see movement to the upside. But if I'm wrong, if I'm gonna be wrong, I'm buying all of those dips. So just a simple overview what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum, and in general I have zero thoughts. I need more data. I mean, after this movement to the downside, the price retested this psychological level and then went to the downside. I opened a long position at around, I don't remember what, right here, stop loss is right here. I got stopped out because I thought that we can, I don't know, despite all of those bad news and a lot of heat in the market, I thought that we can break, boom, like this and retest the top of this channel. But I was wrong. There's nothing with that being wrong. So still buying all of those dips on Ethereum, and of course, yeah, I don't like a Bitcoin because of the returns, but still, I'm gonna start buying as well Bitcoin if I'm gonna see a lower price. So yeah, right now let's jump in Twitter and let's just see, I don't know, like top most viral news. What is going on in the market at the current moment? So yeah, these are, I don't know, the most popular news right now on the Twitter, that Japan is like right now is lowering the tax rate on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency from 55% to 20%, which is bullish because there's going to be a lot of, I don't know, maybe investors from Japan because the taxes are getting lower and lower. Maybe they should move to other country where there's no taxes on crypto. That would be great. Wouldn't be? This guy is not wrong, because I'm expecting the same thing, that the whole the Q4 would be bullish for us, because in every single bull market, the Q4, I mean, from autumn to, I don't know, winter till the New Year's, we're seeing massive movements to the upside. I mean, the pumps, like the real insane during the bull market. So I'm expecting, like I mentioned numerous times, I'm expecting for another leg up in the crypto market. So I'm still, yeah, I'm with you, man. I'm with you, and I'm rooting for this another rally to the upside on the Q4. Then Switzerland banks are right now launching Bitcoin crypto offerings, which is also bullish because we know there's a lot of, I don't know, money in Switzerland, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it plays out, those bullish news. All right. Another one is like saying to us that according to the blockchain information that still some guy, I don't know if this is a whale or not. I mean, 90 million worth of Bitcoin was bought, and right now this crypto address, Bitcoin address specifically, is holding around 523 million in Bitcoin, which is absolutely insane. And there's like stuff all over Twitter, all over the news. Of course, we need to double check all of those sources, but still everyone is like accumulating ATF, bigger banks, institutions, and everyone is still buying Bitcoin and holding. Of course, the most bearish news that was like, I don't know, like yesterday or today, I haven't been tracking because I was like laying off a little bit, that like 1 trillion was wiped out from the stock market again, which is, yeah, it's bearish, but still, no one is talking that everything went back after the previous crash, which is like 1 trillion. That's absolutely nothing. If you're gonna take a look at the NASDAQ 100 charts, is like a small drawdown. Of course, 1 trillion is a lot of money, but not comparing with the previous drop and when everything was like dropping and everything went back into like what, 7 days. So why no one is talking about that? Everyone was like, everything was accumulated back in those 7 days. When there's a crash, there's a lot of panic in the market, so stop panicking, you know. Invest in what you believe and stop panicking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Those are my, I don't know, those are my top bullish, bearish news, most viral news, whatever, in the crypto, about the crypto and the stock market on Twitter that catch my eye. So now let's jump into those altcoins and let's just see, am I getting destroyed or what? So let's jump. First one, let's jump into KSM. So the following wedge pattern, I don't want to say it played out perfectly, but yeah, it played out a little bit because we were like around here and here. The first position was, I don't know, was taking from my private community right here. And then after the clean breakout, there was another position that could have been taking. But still, if you didn't take your profits, which is I'm always like repeating to you guys like thousands of times, maybe not that many, but still I'm repeating all over and over and over again, take your goddamn profits, because the price, if you took your long position from here when we were analyzing at first, so 32.56% with like average 5x leverage, that would be like insane. You more than a double your bank. So if you're not taking profits right now, here's an example. You just give everything back on the market. Yeah, you just give everything back to the market. And yeah, right now we're still respecting this demand zone, and there's like a probability for us to retest again. Yeah, I don't want to say is that if this is a fake out or not. Let me just take a quick look. But still, yeah, we respect this demand zone. Yeah, the price can climb towards the upside and retest again around $80.8, 18.80 cents. So we'll see if there's going to be a clean breakout or not, because still we created, in general, we created a higher low. So we're not getting crushed from my private community, the whale room. We're not getting crushed in this one. For those who, of course, for those, I'm just analyzing all of those coins that I invested in. I'm looking for potential pumps to get my, I don't know, take my profits or to get my money back, because yeah, I'm in some losses right now because everything like dropped. Yeah, incredible dropped. So, and right now all I'm seeing, if this was previous swing high, like on the low time frame, maybe if that was like previous swing high, we broke the whole structure. But we'll see on the daily time frame and in the crypto market, especially in altcoins, it doesn't work like that, like in forex. But we'll see. For me, everything still looks bullish, and there's a probability right now to retest this resistance zone, because we went back inside some kind of, I don't know, this type of channel. So we'll see about that. But still, if you were longing with us from here and you took your profits, I believe you're okay. If you took, I don't know, open your position, but still, in general, for coins like this with the volatility and everything, and on the daily time frame, my recommendations for you is to play safer in spot, because most of the time you guys are like over leveraging everything, like using 10, 20, 30, even 50x leverage. So sometimes you can be crushed like very quickly. So yeah, I mean, in general, everything looks good. This coin is still bullish, or my psychology is bullish because I'm invested in this coin. So we'll see. It's not about all of those 20 altcoins. It's not about the like top 20 altcoins, if they're popular or not. It's just based on the market structure. One of those coins, like right now, form this beautiful falling wedge pattern, let's just say that, which is bullish in my book. So after the breakout, yeah, nice gains. I mean, the whole movement lies a lot of opportunities in the long position to take profits and to make some sweet gains. So let's jump into another one. Dogecoin, exactly the same as KSM coin. If you didn't take your profits, you just gave everything back to the market. So we're still gonna see if there's like some kind of respect here, and then if there's a price can push towards the upside and break this descending channel. We'll see about that, but still not great, not terrible. If you were longing with us from like here, from here, there was a small window to take those profits. And in general, this coin, after it gave you like 14.31%, yeah, with the 5x leverage, that would be a sweet gain. He could have been made like sweet gains, but still, we're just like analyzing everything. What is going on with all those 20 altcoins? I'm not gonna be that guy who gives you like 20 different altcoins and not gonna review that because maybe some of those coins are dead, or maybe, I don't know, we're getting crushed. So yeah, the Dogecoin still inside this descending channel, and yeah, it's bearish. I mean, lower highs, but still, there's like a liquidity, the whole thing. I mean, like, is there a probability to see that the price is gonna close like this and we're gonna be created a higher low? So it's still gonna be a bullish thing, and the movement to the upside would be like inevitable. We'll see. Keep an eye on this setup, and let's jump into a SHBA because it was like forming exactly the same thing. I also respect this, let's just say, demand zone or support, and right now, like, yeah, after this breakout, nothing happened. Everything went back inside or below this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. But yeah, we'll see, because SHBA is still inside this descending, I don't know, channel, this descending trend line that was broken. I mean, but still, I mean, from here you had like a plenty of room to make some, I don't know, like, we'll just say like sweet gains. But yeah, I'm still looking for those bigger movements to the upside. So yeah, SHBA is still, like, in general, it's doing absolutely nothing. Like I mentioned, like when we are analyzing Bitcoin and Ethereum, it does absolutely nothing. So yeah, the market is a little bit boring right now, but still, we're reviewing and keeping our eyes at the same setups. So yeah, SHBA in general is doing absolutely nothing. If you haven't taken your profits like here, or here, you just gave everything back into the market. So yeah, but still, SHBA is right now trying to respect, and also because of that liquidity, I don't know if we can call that liquidity, like, I don't know, the whole wick, still trying to create a higher low. So it would be like a bullish movement if we're gonna see some kind of, I don't know, respect at the ascending trend line that will be acting as a support. So yeah, we'll see. I'm looking for a retest at the top of this channel. Or maybe we just, I don't know, who knows? Maybe we're doomed. Maybe we're gonna get destroyed. Who knows, guys? Just analyzing only probabilities, no predictions. Let's jump into another one. All right, AVEX, our precious AVEX. So the call and whole technical analysis was like giving you right here, and we analyze and shoot this video when we were right here. So yeah, higher lows was created, and yeah, movement to the upside. We retested actually perfectly this falling wedges top, let's just say that descending trend line. So in general, if you were like together with me, like, you could have been made like 33%, I mean 34-ish, something like that, 34% with like a regular 5x leverage. That would be like insane. And yeah, your stop loss wouldn't be like triggered, because yeah, my stop loss is a little bit wider because like I'm using irrational leverage, not like you guys like 20 or 30x's, which for me is like, I just don't do that. I don't care about you guys. So yeah, 1, 2. I mean, the more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. 3, 4. Now I get like more and more confidence in this type of setup, because this falling wedge pattern is beautiful in my eyes. It looks beautiful. Respect it. I mean, respect is here. And right now, I believe that we can beat, I mean, we can start raging inside below this resistance zone, the whole, let's just say, supply, whatever, and then to see clean breakout, the connection between, I don't know, resistance zone and the trend line. All I can see is like right here. I mean, the movement like this. So that would be like possibility to see the whole type of like movement just the way I showed you. So yeah, and if you were like kept holding this whole thing till right now, you're just like breaking even or like getting a small profits, or comparing with what kind of exchange you're using. Maybe those fees are eating your profits, but whatever. We're just like analyzing if there's for AVEX a chance to pump again. So yeah, I believe there's a possible scenario. I mean, yeah, like higher lows, still respect some kind of ascending support. So yeah, the range and the clean breakout would be a wonderful scenario for us bull people to see. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, not great, not terrible, like insane movement to the upside. I mean, you had plenty of room to secure gains and walk away or whatever. Whatever, but still not great, not terrible. Does absolutely nothing right now. So yeah, AVEX is a little bit boring. I want to see a clean breakout and movement to the upside. And right now, let's go to check it out what our Chainlink is doing. Chainlink's falling wedge pattern, we didn't experience a breakout to the upside, but still we got rejected at the top of this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. We didn't see a clean breakout to the upside, but still this whole pattern is valid. The whole situation, the whole setup is valid. The call, the whole, we analyzed everything when we were around here, I believe, if you remember correctly. Go check it out. There's a link down below to my previous video, so you can do your technical analysis by yourself and take a look like before and after all the things, and like maybe you can, like, I don't know, absorb information and learn something about it. Or maybe you're not gonna learn here. Maybe we're gonna lose all of your maybe I'm gonna be that guy, because by my fault you're gonna lose all of your money. So yeah, still I thought that this like ascending triangle pattern like play out. Yeah, we experienced a pump, but still we got rejected. From the top of this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. Descending, ascending, I'm just like, yeah, all the same words for me, so sorry about that. Yeah, but still, let's just say higher lows. Is that a higher low or not? Let me just double check. Is that a higher low or not? I cannot see on the daily time frame. So at this point, you'll be like breaking even if you like didn't take that profits when we were like pumping like crazy and retested this descending trend line that acts as a resistance. Yeah, but still, this whole resistance zone, like a previous support or resistance right now, is still valid. Or should I say that we have a wider resistance, because those kind of wicks like more, also with more respect at around here together with those wicks. Yeah, we'll see. Just the price can always go lower, the price can always go lower, but I'm waiting for the clean breakout on Chainlink, on Link. So we'll see about that. Or maybe we're gonna lose maybe I'm gonna lose all of my money, so who knows. Yeah, let's jump into Mana. What is up with Mana? Mana doesn't do shit, absolutely shit. Sorry for saying bad words, but still, we analyzed at this point when we were here. Yeah, beautiful movement to the upside, a small fake out, and the price went back inside. Below this whole, I don't know, this whole support or resistance. It depends on what, on what situation you're looking. But still, this for me, this descending trend line is valid. A small fake outs, yeah, there will be some times when you're gonna see some fake outs, that's normal. But still, on Mana charts, we see a respect respect this here at around this, I don't know, demand zone at around 0.24 and 0.25, something around here. Still waiting for the clean breakout. I mean, of course, a lot of people are gonna comment below that this is a retail trader thing, but on the daily time frame it works, so shut the hell up. For me to play a little bit more safer, I mean, yeah, you had plenty of room right here to make some profits, 15.48%, but still the price went all the way to the downside. And then I want to see a clean breakout. I want to see a breakout close above this whole resistance zone and then push the price to the upside. That's what I'm waiting for. But still, to open a long position maybe at around this level, I don't know, we'll see. Whatever I'm gonna do next, there's a link down below in my trading group, so don't miss out. Don't be left behind. So yeah, the mana is doing absolutely nothing. I have zero thoughts about it, but the only thing that I see that we respect is demand zone, and we still got rejected from this descending trend line that acts as a resistance again. But yeah, there was like plenty of room for crazy people to make some, I don't know, sweet gains around 17%. So with leverage, you do the math. Yeah, let's just go. What is going on with the NOT and TRON? All right, TRON and the whole situation on the Telegram is not great. I mean, well, I was like not like anticipating, like predicting, whatever. There was like a probability to see a breakdown to the downside. I mean, that's what happened, and right now the price decreased by, I don't know, negative 11.22%. But yeah, these would be my like next target points for a long-term accumulation, for $4.34, something like that, and like support at around 3.3 and 3.8. So yeah, I don't want to say anything because it's sad to see when you're one of the favorite projects, it's like getting crushed. So yeah, we'll see the whole situation on Telegram. It will be changed or not, the whole Telegram CEO arrest and whatever. So we'll see, but I'm bullish on the TRON. I mean, it has everything beautifully and great. I mean, the fastest coin in the crypto space. I mean, you can create the Telegram crypto wallet and everything. Like, just do your own goddamn research, and you'll be like understanding why I'm bullish. And yeah, why I'm bullish. And yeah, let's take a look quickly what is going on with the NOTcoin. So the NOTcoin. NOTcoin, let's just go on, you know what, 12-hour time frame. Yeah, on the 12-hour time frame, after the form this, let's just say, massive big ass falling wedge pattern, all I can see right now a more cleaner picture that we formed as descending trend. So I have like zero thoughts. We still bought, I don't know, NOTcoin at around this level, so we'll see how this project will play out. But still, a lot of resistance right here, so the price needs, the whole TRON community, whatever, has to beat this resistance, flip above, and then retest the top of this channel. Who knows, maybe after the breakout, we'll see. We need some more information to analyze, because all I can see right now is like a supply. There's a lot of supply here, so a clean breakout, changing the whole structure on a daily time frame or on a 12-hour time frame, and then push the price to the upside. But who knows, I don't want to spread the negative vibes in the market, but who knows, maybe the TRON and NOTcoin is dead. Who knows? I'm investing in what I believe, and yeah, I believe in those two projects. The whole situation with that CEO's arrest, I don't want to mention the name. I don't know how the YouTube was working, the whole algorithm and stuff, so I don't want to mention the names, but we'll see. If this is if that only, I mean, this whole situation just flip everything south, let's just say that. And also, like, yeah, the wedging, the price is still wedging, lower highs. So I don't know, there's zero thoughts on TRON. In fact, that he's like forming a descending channel, which is like bearish. So for those who are shorting or whatever, if you are able to short NOTcoin, let's just take a look on the exchanges. What is up with where I can find it, because I bought it but I don't know if you can trade futures, or maybe I'm wrong. Just comment down below. Can you trade futures on NCOIN? I mean, NotCoin? Yeah. Zero thoughts. NotCoin is just like getting crushed. Whatever. Let's jump into the next one. Polkadot is also doing absolutely nothing, like instead getting wrecked. Absolutely wrecked. So we'll see about that. Beautiful resistance, RX support. I mean, let me just quickly go on the daily time frame after the... Yeah. DOT was our previous, I mean, one of the biggest gainers in the previous bull rallies. So we'll see if this history gonna repeat itself. For me, like, what is going on with the DOT? I see a lot of, I don't know, negative comments on the DOT on Twitter and everything. All I can see right now that there's like a support zone right here, so maybe there is a chance for us to start flipping and change the whole market structure into a bullish from the bearish. But still, this descending, I mean, the whole trend line is valid in my eyes, and I'm looking forward to see a breakout and retest this resistance zone or a previous support zone. So we'll see about that. But of course, there's a lot of supply here, so we need to double check all of those key levels, all those pivot points. So whatever I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna update you guys in my trading group. There's a link down below. I'm gonna mention you like thousands of times. Who cares? So yeah, the DOT still in this descending trend on a daily time frame. It was like bearish, super bearish. We're getting crushed on DOT. I invested personally in on DOT. So I don't know what to expect. Actually, I don't know what to expect. I'm just analyzing the charts today. So let's jump into I don't know, what is up with the QNT quant. Quant is also doing absolutely nothing. Instead, from our previous video, it's like was able to pump or around 20%, something like that, or 15%. But on the daily, I mean on the 2-day time frame or on the weekly. Did we analyze everything on the daily or on the weekly? Yeah, on the weekly it's like a better picture. Yeah, descending trend line. It acts as a resistance. I mean, was one of those promising coins as well into it on the Twitter space, because like, yeah, limited supply and everything. Right now I see higher lows. So maybe there's like right now a time to start like bouncing back from this demand or support zone and retest this resistance zone that was like previous support, and then flip above. Of course, nothing new. If you remember my previous video, I'm still talking the same thing about quant like I did on that long in the previous video. So still, I'm expecting movement to the upside, retest this resistance, flip above. Now it's our support, and then to see breakout to the upside. Because yeah, otherwise, I don't know, maybe the quant is gonna like start in range, do absolutely nothing, or like just, I don't know. I want to prepare all my fireworks till that altcoin season, but we'll see. Maybe there will be no altcoin season, who knows. But yeah, I'm believing that altcoin season, I'm looking forward to see massive movements to the upsides. Yeah, so quant in general is doing absolutely nothing from our previous video. Instead, like, it was able to pump for around 15 to 20%. Nothing, absolutely nothing new. We're like back where we started. So let's take a look at another one. Of course, I'm doing this not in the same order that I did my previous video, but let's just take a look at KAVA. Still in this descending trend line, still in this descending channel trend or whatever, still trying to create a higher lows inside this mid-range. And the previous time we didn't see clean breakout through this, I don't know, descending trend line that acts as a resistance. So nothing new on this one as well. So, but I'm still keeping my eyes, or this setup right now is not that perfect. I mean, few touches, like absolutely nothing right now at this point, or maybe right here. But yeah, maybe I'm gonna throw away this token from my analysis, but yeah, we'll see. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly do another one. TRON on the weekly time frame. Also, I posted this in my trading group, which is like, again, links down below, go check it out. Of course, I posted this, that we formed this insane like ascending triangle pattern, which is like bullish. I don't know on the weekly how's that work, but I mean, I never saw on the weekly time frame this beautiful, nicely formed ascending triangle pattern, which is again bullish. But we rejected we rejected again. And I told you guys that, I mean, after clean breakout, yeah, it's a little bit risky to take this long trade. And another one, if we're gonna remain bullish after breakout, I want to start retesting around, like, I don't know, somewhere around here. And whatever I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna post in my trading group. But still, I'm waiting for retest if we're gonna stay bullish on some kind of, like, I don't know, try to catch a demand zone and like start to trade with a trend, with that whole wave. So yeah, nothing new. We just got rejected from this resistance zone. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. So yeah, I'm just trying to analyze, and I'm just trying to prepare my I don't want to say that prepare, but yeah, I'm just gonna try to prepare and build my long positions, maybe, or maybe I won't. Links down below, go check it out. So yeah, still waiting for some kind of pullback for the risk reward ratio to be there, the better risk reward ratio for the long opportunity, not after the breakout. I mean, because I believe we're at all-time highs. So after after the clean breakout, there will be, like, probably not a clean breakout, there will be a lot of volatility. So a lot of volatility, the massive spike, and a lot of people are gonna start longing from here. A lot of people are gonna get liquidated, and I want to see a better opportunity, a better place to start opening a long position. Of course, this is a weekly time frame. The movement to the downside would be insane on the 4-hour time frame, as examples. So I'm waiting for some kind of drawdown to start building my long position. The weekly time frame only just shows, I don't know, this massive, insane ascending triangle pattern, which is like, I don't know, will play out or not, but we'll see. It's bullish right now on the weekly time frame, but yeah, waiting for some kind of drawdown to start building my long positions with a better risk reward ratio. So let's jump into our next one. I believe this is our last one. I mean, RUNE at around, if you remember my previous video as well, the long one, there's going to be also a link down below again for that first video. If you want, you can go check it out. I told you guys that I want to see some kind of clean breakout. Of course, the money flows start to rise up, and I cannot say it didn't play out, but after this, after we analyzed the setup, the price increased at around 17.24%. Of course, if you took this trade, I mean, yeah, you made some gains, but right now we just back to, I don't know, square one. Nothing happened, rejection, or you just can call it a fake out. That's what happens when there's a lot of manipulation and volatility in the market. So yeah, right now we have an election upcoming, like in 60 days or whatever. So there's going to be a lot of heat in the market, like Fed's going to cut the rate or not. So if that would be me, and I would be like trying to please the crowd in my trading community, I would like be staying out of it. So yeah, but still, I would love to see movement to the downside at around this, still create a higher low, catch some kind of demand zones, and to see again a breakout, a clean breakout through this resistance zone, and then movement to the upside. But we'll see, because again, all of those falling wedges, descending trend lines that act as a resistance, a lot of altcoins are forming in exactly the same thing. And I mean, of course, in general, nothing new with RUNE. I don't know how to even pronounce that correctly, but still, from the top, negative almost 80%. I believe, guys, maybe that's enough for the spot opportunities to hold this coin. I mean, yeah, maybe that is a good idea if you believe in the RUNE, because negative 80% from the top, maybe that's enough of the correction. So yeah, we'll see about that. And the last one, let's take a look on the last one. 1inch with let's just say one of the biggest communities on Twitter, if I'm not mistaken, was able to bounce from our bottom for how much? At around, like, let's just say 30%, 25-30%. So yeah, so I'm investing in this type of project because I do believe that, again, that the community, the massive of this community, can push the price to the upside, but we'll see. So right now, all I'm seeing right now is like expecting a clean breakout, probability to see a clean breakout, and then retest the top of this consolidation channel. If I'm not mistaken, this is on the Kraken's chart. I need to double check because a lot of trading view charts are showing me different type of things, but well, I'm gonna just trust that. So yeah, and then, well, technically this is not the last one. So but again, bounce back up from this, well, together with that wick, like higher lows was created. I want to see a clean breakout and movement to the upside. That's what I'm expecting. So if you're like investing in what you believe in, you believe in this type of project, I believe that this level is a perfect for you to accumulate some more, or to buy, or to invest, whatever. Do your goddamn research. Do your goddamn research if you believe in these type of projects. So, and the last one, that was not the last one. We have the, let's just take that risky biscuits, right? SLP, Axie Infinity, or if I pronounce it correctly, some kind of games potion coin or whatever. I invested in this one because it is at absolutely bottom. It forms a massive, beautiful ascending triangle pattern. So the risk reward ratio is there for me. So the movement to the upside, there's like a probability movement to the upside. I mean, to retest, I don't know, the top of this resistance, but we'll see. I mean, in general, for me, it formed some kind of bullish market structure, and the risk reward ratio is there. So yeah, low risk, high reward is there. If I'm losing absolutely nothing. I don't care. But if I'm winning big. So we'll see about that. This is not financial advice, so do not invest if you're not comfortable in losing. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And this is the last one. I mean, this is the last video I'm doing this like that because it takes time to make it. The next one, the videos like that, I'm gonna do a live videos to get, I don't know, to interact with you more. I mean, my people, to read your comments, to take a look in what coins are you invested, and take a look and analyze those coins together with you. So I don't know, that's pretty much it with this video. I have like, yeah, nothing's actually nothing's changed that much. I mean, everything looks the same, but we're still hoping for that altcoin season. And again, Bitcoin, Ethereum doesn't do much right now. So alright guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one. That will probably gonna be a live video. And yeah, stay safe and don't be greedy, and yeah, peace out.